guys, welcome to my 6th vlog. This is again John Ludwig Reneses, and please do not forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, that's Van Ludwig Reneses, and please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified for my future vlogs. And today I'll be doing a food review. Many of my friends are requesting for a food review because they know that I like eating. Today we got Mokomoko chicken. Mokomoko chicken is actually a Korean style fried chicken. They are available in an array of flavors, but right now I'll be trying 4. First one is the original flavor with soy dip. The next one is the Johnny Walker flavor. Then we also have the Yangnyeom and the butterfly flavor. Mokomoko, guys, is a brand new chicken brand here in Calapan City, but they still don't have their physical store, so they are just available for delivery. I'll be posting, guys, their details right below, so please check it out. Okay, so right now we'll be opening their boxes. Of course, it is packed in aluminum foil wrap. Oh my god. There you go. Guys, so this is the first 2 flavors that I have. Okay, so there it is. So this one is the original soy chicken flavor. Then this one is the Johnny Walker. So yung original daw nila is yung soy dip is their original recipe. Then in Johnny Walker, why it is being called as Johnny Walker, because meron siyang Johnny Walker. And that is to give another dimension of flavor sa ating Korean chicken. But of course, I'll be eating this with Coca-Cola Zero. And of course, this is best paired with our pancit canton. I love pancit canton, and today is my cheat day, so I'll be eating anything I want, because starting tomorrow I'll be fasting again. Okay, so let's taste it, guys. So first one, I'll be trying the original flavor, so it comes with the dip. Just good. Just good. It's actually good, guys. So I'm pairing this with pancit canton. So I'm having the chili mansi. Okay, the good thing about the chicken is that it's still soft and juicy in the inside, yet it's so crunchy outside. So this is my second piece. This is my second piece of the original flavor with the soy dip. And guys, hindi masyadong makapal yung breading niya. Can you hear that? Okay, so now I'll be trying the second flavor, which is the Johnny Walker. It has the Scottish whiskey Johnny Walker. There you go. It's not dog. Oops. Mm. Okay guys, so I was expecting na malalasahan ko yung Johnny Walker, but hindi ko siya nalalasahan. But there's this different edge, different dimension of flavor. I don't know, pero feeling ko masarap ko pang pulutan. Sarap. Okay, so for now, I got this ranking. First on my list is still the original one. Kasi I think ewan ko, gusto ko yung soy dip. But this is not bad. This is actually masarap. Kaya nga lang, feeling ko nag-crave ako for rice. Especially with this Johnny Walker flavor. And by the way guys, do not expect me to finish everything right now kasi galing ako, I'm just on a break sa aking diet, so medyo mabilis akong mabusog. But I'll try my best to finish everything. So right now we'll be trying the third and the fourth flavor, the Yum and the butterfly flavor. Okay. Set aside ko lang muna ito. Okay, again, it's wrapped in an aluminum foil. Oh. Okay. So here it is, guys. There. Can you see that? So, yan yung Yum and the butterfly. Sorry, I'm quite messy. So I'll be trying this first. So I'm having the second bite of the butterfly flavor. So ito siya. Yan, ito sesame. Okay, so it's also good. Its flavor is like honey glazed chicken or the orange chicken, and I think it's just the same with the original, except that it has the glaze. So it's still good and crispy. By the way, guys, they have two variety of all the chicken flavors. Yung isa may bone, yung isa boneless. So yung binigay nila sa akin is yung boneless, which is quite good. Pero sometimes like minsan gusto ko rin ng may bone kasi masarap yung medyo may sinasaid ka sa bone. I don't know. But it's quite satisfying. But if you are looking for yung hindi messy way of eating, just try the boneless. Okay, so this is the last flavor. This is the yangnyeom. So this should taste more like the Korean one, Korean glazed. Okay, so this one, the Korean taste is there. Like, Korean talaga yung flavor niya. So this is the most Korean one. So this is the yangnyeom. And it's great. Actually, parang naghahanap na rin ako ng rice ngayon, but I'm not eating rice for so long, so I must not give up to temptation. Look at that. So meron siyang like sauce, Korean sauce. And it's quite the same sa mga natikman ko in the streets of Myeongdong when I visited South Korea. It's just almost the same. I'm actually fascinated, guys, with fried chicken. Kasi guys, di ba lagi siyang kasama sa mga K-drama. For example, yung last ni Lee Min Ho, yung The King. Meron silang food place, meron silang chicken place na pinupuntahan lagi doon. So, wala lang. K-drama feels. So, if you want that feeling, this is the best flavor for you. Oh. My second can of okay, so this is the final critic. All chicken flavors, it's good. And I think you should be ready for rice when eating this kasi super flavorful in chicken. And it's crispy, still crispy. Actually, I got this around like I got this around 4:30 and I'm filming around 5 o'clock. Oh no, it's already 6. It's already 6 o'clock. So, it's already 6 o'clock. So, crispy pa rin yung chicken. And the fact na air-conditioned yung room, hindi nagbabago yung crispiness niya and yung juiciness niya. So I think that's a very big plus point for this chicken. I think you should focus on just two flavors only. Kasi what I'm having right now is overload of flavors. My final ranking for this chicken flavors is this. So, for ang fourth place ko would be the butterfly because I'm not a fan of sweet foods like sweet savory foods. Then on third is actually the Johnny Walker. Then the second one is the Yang Yum, and for me number one still is the original. The original chicken with the soy dip. The soy dip is the winner. That's it, guys. I'll be finishing this off later. For the contact details of Mokomoko, I'll be posting it down below. So please check on their page, on their Facebook page. And please also try their other flavors. They still have a lot of flavors. They still have snow cheese and cheese and tomato. And I think meron pang iba. Kaya nga lang, if I'll be trying it all at once, I don't know if I'll be having, or I can give you a much comprehensive review of the Mokomoko chicken. But overall, guys, this is great. Yun nga lang, downside, wala pa silang place. Wala pa silang dine-in, so just for delivery. So just contact them and order original first, and then you can explore with the other flavors later on. So that's my recommendation, the original flavor with the soy dip. So I think, guys, that's it for this vlog, and I'll be finishing this off. I hope that I'll see you guys on my next vlog. So see you there.